it's Jen with the Swizzle Sisters podcast, and I'm here to show you how to make Lavender Simple Syrup. First, you're going to need water, granulated sugar, and lavender flowers. Take 1 cup of water and 3 tablespoons of lavender flowers and put them in a saucepan. Bring them to a nice good boil, and then you're going to turn it down to simmer for 15 minutes while you add your 2 cups of sugar. After you add your 2 cups of sugar and you let it simmer for about 15 minutes, you're going to want to take it off the heat and let it sit for at least an hour. After your lavender flowers have been steeping for an hour, strain the lavender flowers out and pour into your favorite container. If you want to know what cocktail we use this wonderful lavender syrup in, listen to our podcast, Swizzle Sisters Podcast, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.